Hello dears, good morning to all of you. Today we will start unit number 2nd. In unit number 2nd, we will discuss about the flow through circular conduits, means hydraulic and energy gradient, types of fluid flow, boundary layer concepts, boundary layer thickness, losses of energy, such as Darcy-Weisbach equation, Moody's diagrams, and flow through pipes in series and parallel. So, let we start our lecture first of this unit. Means our first topic is types of flow. There are 6 types of the flow. First one is the steady and unsteady flow. Second one is the uniform and non-uniform flow. Third one is the laminar and turbulent flow. Fourth one is the compressible and incompressible flow. Fifth one is the rotational and irrotational flow. And last one is the 1, 2 and 3 dimensional flow. So let we start one by one. So first one is the steady and unsteady flow. Means what do you mean by the steady and unsteady flow? Means when fluid is flowing, then the fluid characteristics या fluid parameter such as velocity, pressure and density etc. at a point do not change with time. Means do not change with time means remains constant. That type of flow is called the steady flow. मीन्स सपोज कीजिए कि हमारा कोई भी पाइप से फ्लो हो रहा है और हम किसी पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पर मीन्स वेलोसिटी, प्रेशर या डेंसिटी अगर चेक कर रहे हैं तो मीन्स देयर इज ए नो चेंज. सो मैथमेटिकली वी कैन से दैट velocity with respect to time is constant in all direction, in x direction, y direction and z direction. Similarly, the pressure in 3 dimensions is also constant with respect to time and density is also constant with respect to time in 3 dimensions, and any other parameter or characteristics are also constant. So such type of fluid या सच टाइप ऑफ फ्लो इज कॉल्ड द स्टेडी फ्लो. हम कह सकते हैं कि वो जो फ्लूइड फ्लो हो रहा है इज स्टेडी फ्लो. ओके. अगर हम सेकंड हैंड पर बात करें अनस्टेडी फ्लो, इफ द फ्लूइड प्रॉपर्टीज सच एज वेलोसिटी, प्रेशर, डेंसिटी मीन्स डू नॉट रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट विद रेस्पेक्ट टू टाइम, मीन्स द पैरामीटर्स चेंज with respect to time, then that flow is called unsteady flow. Mathematically, yes, such as velocity with respect to time in all direction x, y, z is not constant with respect to time. Similarly, pressure is also not constant, density is not constant, then that flow is called the unsteady flow. Now we discuss uniform and non-uniform flow. This is another type of flow. So uniform flow is may be defined as if the velocity at any given time, velocity of flow at any given time does not change with respect to space या length of direction of flow. That flow is called the uniform flow. So mathematically, velocity with respect to time is constant. That is called the uniform flow. And another hand, if the velocity for a given time change with respect to time, then that is called the non-uniform flow. Okay. Next flow is laminar and turbulent flow. Laminar and turbulent flow, जैसे कि बेटा मैंने आपको पहले भी डिस्कस किया है कि laminar and turbulent flow, if the fluid particles move in their line, या fluid particles move along a line, then such type of flow is called the laminar flow. And if fluid particles do not move in their own layer या enter into the adjacent neighbor layer, then that is called the turbulent flow. So हम कह सकते हैं कि जिस फ्लूइड या जिस फ्लो की अगर विस्कोसिटी ज़्यादा है, if any fluid is highly viscous, then that is called the laminar flow. if विस्कोसिटी अगर कम होगी तो मीन्स टर्बुलेंट फ्लो होगा. हम रेनॉल्ड नंबर के बिहाफ पर भी लेमिनार या टर्बुलेंट फ्लो को डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. सो रेनॉल्ड नंबर है, एक नंबर गिवन दिया किया था बाय द रेनॉल्ड्स नाम के साइंटिस्ट ने. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर, और इसका फॉर्मूला था रो वी डी अपॉन में म्यू या वी डी अपॉन में न्यू. दैट इज कॉल्ड द रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर. ठीक है, क्योंकि म्यू अपॉन में रो मैंने आपको प्रॉपर्टी में बताया था, दैट इज कॉल्ड द काइनेमेटिक विस्कोसिटी. अगर हम यहां पर यूज कर रहे हैं रो वी डी अपॉन में म्यू, ये भी हम बोल सकते हैं, या वी डी अपॉन में म्यू, दैट इज ऑल्सो द रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर. सो हियर डी इज द डायमीटर ऑफ द पाइप, जिस पाइप से आपका फ्लो हो रहा है, एंड वी इज द मीन वेलोसिटी ऑफ फ्लो इन पाइप, मीन्स जो पाइप से वाटर फ्लो कर रहा है उसकी मीन्स मीन या एवरेज वेलोसिटी क्या है, एंड न्यू इज द काइनेमेटिक विस्कोसिटी ऑफ द फ्लूइड. So if Reynolds number is less than 2000, अगर रेनॉल्ड नंबर की वैल्यू लेस देन 2000 आती है तो वी कैन से दैट कि द फ्लो इज लैमिनार फ्लो. इफ द वैल्यू ऑफ द रेनॉल्ड नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन 4000, देन वी कैन से दैट द फ्लो इज टर्बुलेंट फ्लो. एंड इफ द वैल्यू ऑफ द रेनॉल्ड नंबर इज लाइज बिटवीन 2000 एंड 4000, the flow neither laminar or turbulent, means this is called the transition zone और transition flow भी हम बोल सकते हैं. Next flow is compressible and incompressible flow. Compressible means the fluid which are compressed, and incompressible means which are not compressed. So the compressible and incompressible flow depends upon the density. If density of any flow do not change, means remains constant, then such type of flow is called the compressible, not constant, then that fluid is called compressible flow. अगर डेंसिटी नॉट कांस्टेंट, डेंसिटी अगर चेंज होती है तो हम उसे बोल सकते हैं कंप्रेसिबल फ्लो. इफ डेंसिटी रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट, देन सच टाइप ऑफ फ्लो इज कॉल्ड द इनकम्प्रेसिबल फ्लो. Okay, next flow is rotational and irrotational flow. Rotational and irrotational flow. If during a flow fluid particles move along their own axis, then such type of flow is called rotational flow. And if during a flow the fluid particles do not move or do not rotate about their own axis, then that is called the irrotational flow. In irrotational flow, the particles move along a streamlines. Next types of flow is 1, 2 and 3 dimensional flow. Means 3 dimensional flow, there are 3 dimensions x, y, z. Okay, if any flow in which flow parameters such as velocity, pressure, density is a function of time and one space coordinate only, means say x, then that is called the one dimensional flow. If fluid parameters such as velocity is a function of time and two space coordinate x and y, then that is called the two dimensional flow. If a flow in which the fluid parameters is a function of time and three space coordinate x, y, z, then that is called the three dimensional flow. Okay.